Who is she? Who is she? Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley, and for today's video I'm going to be doing a knotless passion braids. So they're kind of like passion twists, but instead of twists they are braids or plaits. So I did two off camera because I kind of wanted to make sure I knew what I was doing, as well as I was so ready to take them out and just slap my wig on if I'm being honest. So that's just kind of a heads up to let you know that this hairstyle or this particular style is a little time consuming, and it takes a lot of, I guess, practice kind of, because I mean once you know how to kind of do braids or plaits or whatever you call them, you pretty much can do it. However, the hair that I use is the passion twist hair, so it's the Lulu tress, and I use island twist and water wave. So I just mix them. I don't mix them in any particular order. They're pretty much the same, except island twist is a little looser than the water wave, if you can tell. It's not a significant difference, but this one was cheaper, so I decided to get half of each because I know that you need the water wave texture. However, the island wave didn't look too far from the water wave texture, so that was just my reasoning behind that. I got 8 packs. I got 4 of each in total. Guys, this hair tangles. I'm just gonna put it out there because I don't want you to start doing your hair and get frustrated and come back to my video and be like, you didn't tell us that this was gonna happen. So this hair tangles just like if you were doing passion twist, whatever. It tangles, it frizz a lot, which is the style I'm going for because, like I said, I'm going on vacation, I'm going to be in the water, going to, you know, I kind of want that natural bohemian curly fuzzy type of look. So I already parted my hair off camera because parting is very time consuming for me. It takes me a while because I have to get them perfect. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do 2 at the front so you guys can see, and I'm just gonna complete the rest of my hair, and then I'll show you how I style it. So I kind of just layered them. Each is a different length from the other. I just kind of pull on each side. Then I'm going to twist the top of the hair that I'm gonna use through the crochet hook. So I'm just gonna twist it like that, so my needle can like securely hold it. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run the crochet needle through the hair, then I hook it onto the hair like that. Come on. Then I flick up the hook and then I pull through just one side of the hairs. Okay, so now that I have 3 strands on each side of my elastic band, I'm going to separate it with, so I'm gonna put two pieces with my natural hair. I don't know if you can see that. 2 pieces with my natural hair and 2 on both sides, and just braid like normal. Now, like I said, this hair does tangle, so you just kind of want to be gentle with how you are braiding it. And I'm not braiding it super tight because I want it to have like a fluffy jumbo look. So yes, so now is when I start adding more pieces. I'm going with 2 more pieces. This is where my hand is holding the hairs right here. That's where I'm gonna add these 2 pieces and just fold it in and continue to braid. keep braiding while I try to tuck my natural hair behind the passion twist hair. As you can see, you can kind of see it looking a little fluffy, so yeah. For this one that I did before, I left out this piece of hair because for both sides I'm gonna leave out pieces of hair like this, so when I put it in a bun I'll have pieces to fall, kind of like a cute, you know, cute style, like a cute messy style. Honestly, I think this hairstyle is like trial and error. I don't think there is a way you can mess it up because it's supposed to kind of have like a messy braids type of look, so it's not gonna be 100% like perfect. And just like with passion twist, the hair is gonna coil more because it's curly hair. Guys, I cannot be the only person who, once you start doing your hair and like stuff starts happening, it starts tangling, it's not coming out the way you want, you just want to scrap it. Anyways, my hair is actually not going too bad. Like, it does have the nice wavy pattern that I was looking for. Okay, so for like this, I'm gonna show you what I do to hide my real hair sticking out. I clipped the ends of my hair when I deep conditioned it yesterday, so I, you know, clipped my hair, so they're blunt, so they're really hard to hide. However, I do have those little clip gold, you know, accessories things that I can add to it, so that's what I'm gonna use to hide that. And I think there's another one somewhere over here. So far, this is what we're looking like, and so I only have one left. It is so cute. Okay, let me just show you the ends. So it's actually, I actually went ahead with the original length, so I didn't extend it or anything, and instead of leaving them out at the ends, I just kind of did the braids all the way to the end, and whatever loose hair is there, I just left it as is, so it's not too curly at the bottom, but it gives it a very nice tropical wave, and I love it. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I added some gems and ropes and gold because I normally wear rose gold and gold accessories, but I love it. Like the ends, like I said, I didn't leave them too frizzy. I just did it all the way to the end and just let the curls hang how they fall. Yes, so it's actually the next day. I was really exhausted last night to close out the video, so I'm actually on my way out. I'll be vlogging, so yeah, so I'm just gonna give you a closer look at the it's really cute, and I think it's really simple, but yes. Who is she? Who is she? Okay guys, so that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we are over 500 subscribers, so thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye sweethearts.